My dear little girl, today I want to tell you something special. You are slowly stepping into a new chapter of your life, like a white rose opening its petals. You are becoming a beautiful young woman. Growing up is not only about changing your body, it is about discovering yourself, shaping your thoughts, and building your dreams. Take care of your body with kindnesses and respect. Welcome every change with confidence and care. Your beauty is reflected in your kindnesses, your creativity, your abilities, and the way you treat the world around you. Discover your talents, explore your interests, keep learning, believe in yourself. Build meaningful connections, respect people, stay close to those who help you grow. Be your own best friend. Trust your journey. Never forget your worth. A white rose opens under the sunlight while its light turns. Quietly protect its beauty. Be gentle but never weak. Be humble but never forget your value. Be graceful but always stand for yourself. A woman creates memories, builds relationships, and writes her own beautiful story. Do not rush your journey. Every season has its own purpose. Every step becomes part of your beautiful story. Bloom beautifully, my little white rose. Let the world discover the wonderful person you are inside. Dear little rosebuds around the world, bloom with love, grow with courage, and shine with your own light, with the gentle light of love. Nirundi Herath.